This is not just a pawn sacrifice. This is the Benko Gambit, one of the most aggressive chess openings for black against d4. White starts with the d-pawn and black develops the knight to f6. White brings out the c-pawn, black strikes immediately with the c-pawn and white pushes the d-pawn forward. Then black throws the b-pawn forward. That is the Benko Gambit. Black is offering material to open lines and seize long-term initiative. White accepts by taking on b5. Black answers with the a-pawn. White takes on a6 and black's bishop comes all the way to a6 to recapture. Right away, black has active piece play for the pawn. White develops the knight to c3, black supports the center with the d-pawn. White pushes the e-pawn, grabbing more space, but black's bishop takes on f1. This is a very important Benko idea. Black gives up the dark-squared bishop to damage white's coordination and force the white king to move early. White king takes on f1, black continues with the g-pawn. White knight to f3, black bishop to g7. Now black's remaining bishop is a monster on the long diagonal. White plays the g-pawn to g3, black castles kingside, and white king steps to g2. White looks safe for the moment, but black's compensation is growing. The queen jumps to a5, targeting the queenside and supporting pressure on the a-file and b-file. White rook goes to e1, black develops the knight to d7. White pushes the a-pawn to a4, trying to hold space and control the queenside, but black answers with the rook to b8, putting immediate pressure on the open b-file. White lifts the rook to a3, a clever defensive move. And now the classic Benko picture is on the board. Black is down a pawn. But black has active bishops, a strong queen-rook pressure, better piece activity, and dangerous queenside play. That is why so many aggressive players love the Benko Gambit. It is not about the pawn. It is about initiative, open files, and non-stop pressure.